How to fix Teams error code 6 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Make sure other users aren't connected to your account on other devices.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Clearing the team credential cache can help resolve issues related to account authentication by removing stored login information and forcing a fresh authentication process. Select Windows credentials. Locate and remove any stored credentials related to Microsoft Teams. Restart Teams and re-enter your login details.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.